This is Debbie with Food Prepping Channel, and today I'm so excited. I have got a Hamilton Beach Breadmaker, and I have wanted a new one for a while, and I have gotten so many new gadgets, kitchen gadgets lately, that I've got so many things to show y'all, and I'm getting ready to do a big giveaway, so stay tuned for that. I'm going to have 3 big prizes for that, and I've had strep throat. My grandson broke his arm, and Caden, he broke his arm last Sunday, and now they're moving this weekend. He starts school next Wednesday, and they wanted him to be in a different school district than what I'm in, so they're moving to Franklin County, and he'll be going to a school over there. And so anyway, now it's time for me to get down to the cooking. And so today I'm going to show y'all, bring you along, and show you how to make just a simple 2-pound loaf of white bread. No big deal. It's a big deal to me because I can't wait to taste this and see what it tastes like. So I'm trying to get everything together, and also this won't take so long, and I'll bring you back in just a few minutes. Okay, I'm back. Alright, now I think I have everything together now. And the first thing I'm going to put in here, this is the little basket that comes with it, and it's got the little, see this little thing, which way, this blends it together, and so you can see it's a nice non-stick pan. So the first thing that you put in is 1 1/3 cups of warm water. Alright, so I've got that in here. That's going in right now. Alright, and the next thing is 1 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Nope, wrong. 1 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Alright, so 1 teaspoon is right now. I'm using kosher salt. Alright, here's 1 teaspoon of that. And here is a 1/2 teaspoon of that. Alright. The next thing is 2 tablespoons of sugar. Alright, and I've got my sugar in this jar right here. And it's going in. And you always start on a Hamilton Beach. I'm not sure. You have to read your instructions on the bread maker that you're using. But you always put your liquid ingredients in first. And this, you're putting the water in. I'm using butter. I'm not using vegetable. I'm going to use butter. But you can go in and put the salt and the sugar in the water too, because you want your bread and your yeast to be the last thing that you put in. Alright, so I've got 1 tablespoon of sugar. Alright, 2 tablespoons of sugar. Alright, and then I have a 1/4 of a cup of butter. That's going in here. Alright, and the next thing is 4 1/2 cups of bread flour. Alright, and I've got Pillsbury Best bread flour. I'm gonna put that in here. And you want to, I can't see me. You want to level off your measuring cup so that you've got the correct amount. Alright, so here's 1 cup. Now, you need to make a little well. Let me get this over here. I'm going to have to get Regina to help me in just in a minute. Alright. You make a little well down inside the flour. Oh. I'm moving y'all so that you can see down inside this. Alright. And I'm going to make a little well. You want to make sure that the yeast doesn't get anything near anything that's wet. So I'm making a little well down inside there. And I'm going to put 1 3/4 teaspoons bread machine yeast. And that's what I have. Bread machine instant yeast. So I'm going to put 1 teaspoon. Alright. Right down in the well. And then 3/4 teaspoon. Alright. Now everything is in here. So we're going to get this baby started. Alright, I'm going to have to get Regina to help me. So I'll bring you right back. I've got to get this mess up. I got flour everywhere. Okay, I'm back. Alright, now here's the little thing that goes in the bread machine. And Regina's going to put it in there and show y'all how to lock it in or whatever. You put it in kind of sideways, is that?
Yep. And then turn it straight and it locks right down in place.
Okay, and then now we have to go to the cycle. I'm going to zoom in and show y'all. Alright, you have to hit cycle, and I'm doing a 1. So you have to go all the way back around. Alright, oops, I gotta go all the way back around again. Alright, and then the crust
is on medium.
I want medium on the crust. And then the loaf size, it's a 2-pound loaf that I'm making. And that's it. You hit start, and you hear it going. So this is going to take 3 hours, and I'll bring you back when it gets ready, and we're going to have a piece of homemade bread. Alright, bring it back. Okay, I'm back. Alright, my bread is done. And you can see it's huge. I mean, it just popped right out of the pan back there. And now I want you to see the little paddle is inside that hole. So I've got to get it out. I'll have to wait until it cools off some. I'm going to cut off the end. I'm not even sure how you're supposed to cut this. Let me put it down on my cutting board. This loaf of bread is so big. My knife. As many knives as I have, you'd think that I would have found one that was sharp enough to cut that. Alright, so this is, I guess, like the heel. Cut this. Alright, and I'm going to put some shed spread, and don't y'all say nothing. I've started using butter, but I don't like, butter doesn't spread. And so I like shed spread on things like this, on toast and bread. Oh, I can't wait to taste this. At my house, smells so good. All right. This is good. This is really good. Alright, let's see if we can turn this around and get this paddle out of here. Yay! See, that's what was in there. So that was all the way in that hole. And there's the bread. Let me zoom in so you can see. Look at it. It's just so moist. And this part is just so good. If you want to get something that's really easy, this was tremendously easy until you get to the end and that little paddle comes off in the hole. Somebody needs to invent a bread machine where that paddle doesn't go up in your bread and stick in it. But anyway, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to look below for links to my Facebook, my Twitter, and also there'll be different things that you can purchase from Amazon below. Doesn't cost you any more. If you find something that you like that I've put a link below, doesn't cost you any more than it would if you went to Amazon. It just helps the channel purchase food and stuff to do these videos. So I hope you have a good day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.